So, you've just finished disputing errors on your credit report, but what now? Fixing those mistakes is just the first step. In this video, we'll show you 5 powerful tips to quickly improve your credit score after filing a dispute. Whether you just removed a reporting error or fought back against identity theft, these 5 tips can help boost your score and protect your financial future. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for general educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Note that every situation is different, and viewers are encouraged to do their own research before taking course of action. Always consult with a qualified attorney before making any legal decisions. Now let's break it down, step by step. Tip 1. Verify the results of your dispute. After a dispute, credit bureaus must notify you of the outcome. Review it carefully. Was the error removed or corrected? Did all 3 bureaus update your report? If not, a credit lawyer can help escalate the issue. Tip 2. Monitor for recurring errors. Even deleted accounts can reappear, especially in identity theft cases. Download your reports every few months at annualcreditreport.com to watch for duplicate or returning errors. Tip 3. Pay down credit card balances. One of the fastest ways to raise your score is to reduce your credit utilization ratio. Keep it below 30%, ideally under 10%. This shows lenders you're using credit responsibly and can boost your score quickly. Tip 4. Request a credit limit increase smartly. Don't spend more, but ask for a higher credit limit on accounts in good standing. This improves your utilization rate. Make sure all your disputes are resolved before applying. A clean credit report gives you the best shot. Tip 5. Build positive credit habits. Disputes fix the past. Now it's time to build your future. Pay on time. Use secured cards if needed. And avoid applying for too many new accounts too quickly.
How long before my credit score updates?
Usually within 30 to 45 days after corrections are made.
Can a lawyer really fix credit errors?
Yes, we can force credit bureaus to comply with the law and sue if needed.
What if the same error reappears?
You may have a legal claim. Let us help enforce your rights. Don't let credit errors or identity theft hold you back. Credit errors and fraud can hurt, but you don't have to face them alone. Our credit report lawyers and identity theft attorneys help consumers fix their credit and fight back legally every day. If you need help with your credit report, visit us at sueyourcreditreport.com today for a free case review. We'll fight to get your report fixed.